What we're going to do now is click on the button here that says add cash, and you can see that that brings up the option for me to add money to my US dollar coin balance. Now we're going to actually change that over to just United States dollar, and I'm going to explain the differences between that shortly, but for now I just want to show you how to link a new bank account. By default, it's going to my linked bank account, but if you wanted to add a payment method for the first time, you're going to click on the arrow here and click on add a payment method. Now, as far as the options you have here, you can add a bank account. You can also link your PayPal. There's also an option for wire transfers, and you can also redeem a Coinbase gift card. We're going to click on bank account for now. Coinbase uses Plaid for having a secure link to your bank account. So what you're going to do here is click on continue and supply them with your banking credentials for whatever bank you want to use as your funding source for Coinbase. And then from here, you're going to click on continue once again and enter your phone number in order to start the process. Now, I'm not going to do this from here just because it's something I've already linked. If I click on continue as guest, it will show me the options that you're going to see. So you have the major financial institutions at the bottom, like Bank of America, but if you don't see yours listed there, you can simply click here and type it in. But if, for example, you have a Bank of America account, you would click on this right here, and then you're going to log in to your Bank of America account. And then at that point, it gives you the option to select the bank account that you want to use as your funding source. But since I already have my bank account linked, we're just going to go ahead and add funds to this. So we're going to add this to my US dollar balance, and I'm going to go ahead and deposit $50 by clicking on that button. And then if we click here on preview, it's going to show us the transaction details before we confirm it. So there's no fees to deposit money into Coinbase with most of those methods. I don't know about wire transfers or gift cards, for example, but if you're just doing a straight transfer from your bank account, it's going to be an instant transfer with no fees. But when you go ahead and buy/sell crypto, which we're going to do shortly, that is where you will incur fees potentially. So we're going to click on add cash now. And by refreshing that, we can see here that the $51 is now available in my US dollar account. So we could now go ahead and purchase crypto assets.